stories. All political party meet not fruitful, says spokesperson of left parties and convener of Praza Irendro Lechombam. Protest demonstrations continue against CA bill. Students' bike rally against CA bill kicked off. And Speaker Y. Khemchan flags off Manipur women team for Manipur-Myanmar football exhibition match. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. All political party meet on CA bill was a complete failure according to representatives of different political parties which attended the meeting at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Representatives of BJP, CPI, CPIM, Forward Bloc, RSP, Shiv Sena, JDS, Trinamool, NEIDP, Praza, NPP, NPF, AAP and NCP attended the meeting. However, Congress and MPP did not attend the meeting as they announced yesterday. The meeting began from 9 a.m. till 1 p.m. Nevertheless, it could not arrive to any resolution as all political parties except BJP denied to agree with the desired step tabled by the government of Manipur led by BJP. Here's what the leaders of various political parties had to say about the meeting.
Bill ase masida ekoi Manipur gi the soidaba close kara hapagi wafam lomda maduda ekoi sabchana ekoi gi mayamna warep lobungamdana haitare ngasigi sida understanding da koi warep to par ga puthorpagi wafam dunatana kari kaino sarkar sina lorka do potum de koi khangdre aduga ayambana ekoi gi madomda ekoi gi state sigi oiba ekoi close ama hapakanda mado ekoi gi motadi madunu oibiya poti oiroi ware haibase abase positive oi haire loba yaroi aduna masi yam sen hairagadi ekoi nampu hapuda political party mayam wifam kauro ga haira kanda kaino kaino khara moi apamba ningbado mado adum implement tawge haiba pot soidani maroi low report se
akoi Manipur gi soil da north east ki soil da chana de adura masi withdraw to haidana withdraw to haiba tim mamaga semdok si haiba tim mamaga daida akoi conflict of ideas lay ado masi withdraw to ba yadabagi magi legality gi matang adi constitutional noiba setback ki matang da government gi maikai dagi koi gi BJP gi leadership na thammi som dagi su tongan ba koi gi A side B side te su akoi to honingo mayam hai ado kharadang akoi gi yana phatta ba haitare wafam khari leiri
bill se akoi Manipur da leiba koi party punna magna akoi masi yaning de aduga yaning da bugaloina na akoi.
On the other hand, Chief Minister N. Biren said the state government stands for the people of Manipur. He was talking to media persons on the sideline of credit linkage program held at MSFDS at Palace Compound today. It is still urging the centre to give assent to the Manipur People's Bill and include a clause in the CA bill which ensure that the people of the state won't be affected. He also reiterated that the Home Ministry has already assured that the centre would take states' assent before declaring citizenship to anyone in the Northeast states.
Manipur amadi Northeast masimada di hairiba citizen bill gi potse masi exam tawni haidana amada happy haibani madu happy ona koina kanna tangna badagi hoji Home Ministry na madu aikoi da noi Northeast ki oina di state government gi concern yaudadi aikoi tawroi haibam din han barbeli haisi press conference torgo officially tholo kare adu bo koi state government gi madu kayam yamna how far aikoi madu du valid oidoi no yaragadi aikoi da achi ai ba che oina hayeng bill sina pass tawduna khotna tawrakasu Manipur amadi awang pota leiri city sumaina nawi state citizenship piba kanda kaino gi state government gi ayaba yaudadi piroi haibagi kalam rules ta hapani kholani na haibiragadi ekoi yare adugi poto koi kanna tangnari heusi.
Later, the representatives of those political parties which attended the meeting with the Chief Minister sat at the Irabod Bhavan of CPI at Rupmahal Tank in Imphal today. The meeting was attended by all political leaders of the morning session with the Chief Minister except anyone from the BJP. Spokesperson of the political party meeting and convener of Praja Irendro Lechombam said the morning session of the all political party meeting with the Chief Minister was not helpful at all. The Chief Minister reiterated the same things, including urging the centre to give assent to Manipur People's Bill and inclusion of special clause that will restrict the centre to take independent decision on declaring any person as Indian citizen in the state. However, the state government did not even consider discussing urging the centre to withdraw the CA bill and holding special state assembly sitting to discuss the bill. The 9 political parties have adopted the resolution to step back from visiting the centre along with the Chief Minister tomorrow, as the present government of Manipur is victimizing the people and the rest of the political parties, Irendro Lechombam asserted.
Sigi Chief Minister office ta all political party mi pham gi buse mase lebaki oina di kai ta kana bo ram maram di pung mari mu pham meeting sida akhoi gi political party mapan gi coalition na thamjari ba point ani do madu accept to birak ta ba aduga reject to birak pa tabi da ba bise mase laiba yam thi ni akhoi gi thamjari ba point ani di sura dagi number 1 special assembly session ama atu da ko biu hai mama ani shu busina hai ba bill citizenship amendment bill as masi withdraw to biu ana hai bini atu point ani ma lenga action ta bi da dagi.
Agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 continues in the Northeast region. Volunteers of SSUM, Masad, AMPSUM, AMMSO and RSF began 3-day bike rally from the office of SSUM at Kesampa today. The rally converged at Moirang after passing through Malom Bazar, Nambol Bazar, Oinam Bazar, Lamangdong Bazar and Ningthaukhong Bazar. The rally made sure that most of the people residing along the route of the rally got the details and its possible effects about the CA bill by spreading pamphlets regarding the bill. President of SSUM Yaima said the CA bill passed by the Lok Sabha is a slow poison. It will eradicate the indigenous people of the Northeast. The people of Northeast along with the students are all set to take fitting step if the Rajya Sabha happens to pass the bill.
Asigumba bike rally asi India government na CAB citizenship MML bill sana nanaba honare iba asigi mayok tani hariba CAB bill asi taseng na haraga di masi slow poisoning ni haidana ikoi na lojai hariba CAB bill sina laidiba Northeast ki miyam sing sidai sida han leijarami ba indigenous people sing sidai sida aduki matik saitheng piba adugumba bill amani maduna hariba bill asi laidiba Manipur da laidiba miyam singsi CAB bill gi matangda mayak sengna khangminna nabagi damakta akha adugumba tanja adu lawjabani.
Oriental Club at Mangzil Meira Lamjing Loop and Women Welfare Organization Kanglei Park organized a sit-in protest at the Oriental Club against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Meira Paibi Ima, who participated in the protest, condemned the bill.
MMM bill che koi masi suga ya janing de masi khudak ta handok piu handok da batar ka ti akoi Manipur da lairiba lup singsiga punsan naraga koi changjan baya ba khongjang khudima changjan ni ma khoi na tauriba se Manipur gi North East ta lairiba khudimak se mi oina udaba adagi maru oina akoi Manipur gi mi se miyam sibu mi oina udaba karisu leite na khanba sigumba sarkar gi thokdok se akoi ya janing de maru oina akoi bill se sukpam pam de haiba.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Princeton International School. Admission open for pre-nursery to class 8 for academic season 2019. Selling features. Princeton International School is located in a serene and noise-free environment. Smart classrooms, a relentless focus on teaching and learning. Teachers and students strive for excellence in academic and extracurricular activities. Separate hostel for boys and girls. Remedial classes for weak students. regularly monitoring teachers' performance by the principal and high authority for imparting quality education, computer lab, science lab, and library. Well-maintained football ground, swimming pool, basketball court, gym, and indoor court for badminton, table tennis, etc. Self-defense classes like taekwondo and wushu, and also available classes for Arabic and Meitei Mayek. Session starts from 28 January for class 6 to 10 and 7 February for pre-nursery. Last date of admission 26 January for class 6 to 7 and 4th February for pre-nursery. Please contact Princeton International School, Ketri Awang Leka, Imphal East. Contact number 9436586723.
Lamdam asigi lawni singgi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Hayes ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi leibak le hawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angogba karfi jyoti makhal animak pambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoklasi asengba alu char tharsi Saranaba alu Hundok Khakna Maton Thoklaga Semba alu Chara Tharagum si Haiba Kholau Amagaloina Sahi Ahum Sumna Satharakpa Mission Amagi Makada Pujarakpa alu Chara Singni Nipal Tangdana Iramdam Asida Alugi Awapal Helagum si Lengsing Virau Nasimak Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malong Bazar Lintoy House Kaksing Bazar Adongi Ahangam Humsinda Alu Thabiduna Iramdam Asida Alugi Awapal Helagum si.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand flagged off the football players who will be participating in the friendly women football exhibition match between Manipur Women Football Team and Myanmar Women Football Team organized by Act East Policy Committee to be held at Sagang on 31st January and 2nd February from West Kangla Gate today. Speaker Y. Khemchand said that sports play a crucial part in the newly built relationship between India and Myanmar under Act East policy.
Football and football through the Sanabagi through the Masi Nusinava, Kongangamani, Haina Lojarakanda, Sanabasaliva players in Mangolo and Halaxano, Haina message.
Coach of the Manipur women football team, Oinam Bembem, said that the friendly match between India and Myanmar starting from 31st January will bring a tremendous change between the two countries.
Masi koi yam nungai ba nigi yam na sukana ba football la su chakot pagi ama oi ba duga men mandale ga Myanmar ga koi ga India ga hari Manipur ga mari da afaba mari ma thamboi na koi me friendly message sidum twa pangthok sei makoi gi team ani shu mamang da Sangai festival manung da la ga koi da match ani sana jaki tumaina koi shu team A B khaidoga ani sana ba chachagani duga aina puriba team sin 31st ta sanagani duga B team duna second natraga third ta sanagani haibagi anoni pangthok saba exit friendly match ni masi koi yamna nungai ba saru yaba phangjaba ge yamna nungai fauze.
Members of all Manipur IFCD Water Resource Department employees and workers staged sit-in demonstration demanding pending salary for 1 month and change in muster roll and work charge employees. Talking to media persons, Vice President of the organization Nimai Chand said the agitation was launched as the authority concerned has turned a blind eye to the repeated demand of the organization. Some employees of the department have even served the department for more than 40 years. He drew the attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter as at the earliest.
Master improving at the Waxasu Yori, Waxasu Honga Suyoi, Toro Pangise, do Waxa, a Masterola, Waxas conversion to Upame, ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯋꯥꯛꯆꯔꯁꯅ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯍꯤ 30 ꯂꯩꯅ 35 40ꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ.
Felicitation cum inspiring award were held at the auditorium of CC Higher Secondary School with the aim to bring a change to the education system in the state. Speaking to our reporter, Principal Sinam Indrani said that the function was held with the aim to cultivate a good relationship between the teachers and the students. 10-day combined annual training organized by NCC's #1 Manipur Air Squadron flying concluded today. 399 NCC cadets participated in the 97th annual training program held at NCC headquarters, Imphal. As a part of the training program under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, cleaning from DM College to Ima Kaithel, 10 pitching technical class, drill training and debate quiz was held, along with lecture on personal hygiene and legal service. The 35th birth anniversary of the Creative Youth Organization CYC Sapam at Thoubal district was organized at the club and presented gifts to the pioneers of the club. MLA Wangzing 10th Assembly Constituency Paunam Brazen, President of Creative Youth Organization CYOL Deven Singh, Langthawal Jila Parisad member Soibam Ongbi Ibetombi Devi, Pradhan S. Rameshwar of Sapam Gram Panchayat and social worker Akhum Kom presided the function. Floral tributes were offered to the photos of the late founder members of the CYC Sapam who took active part in building the club. Also, the club felicitated the first runners-up of the Miss Manipur 2018 Langpok Lakpam Melody, daughter of Langpok Lakpam, Nando and Santiwala from Sapam. MLA Paunam Brazen said that it is the job of the local club to look after the locality. People do whatever they want if the locality does not have a club. He added that club is necessary since it provides knowledge to the generation. Knowledge Resource Center Foundation's KRC National Writing Star Contest 2019 and YY Global Teen Hero India 2019 have started in Press Club of India yesterday. At the function, prizes were distributed to the former winners of National Writing Star Contest. The function was attended by KCR Foundation Trustee Furpa Vungyal, Managing Trustee Biswadeep Gupta, CEO of Nepal Tourism Deepak Raj Joshi, CEO of TWS Global Business Consulting LLP Dr. S. Nandai, National Sales and Head of CG Food India Private Limited Manoj Sharma, Global Private Limited IT and Design Manager Ajay Pandey, Retired Lieutenant Colonel Malay Shankar Pal. The contest will be held in 4 categories every 2 months. Selected 25 contestants will go to the final. Results of each categories will be announced on 12 January 2020. Imphal Police Station has notified that the body of Nini from Myanmar, who died after a bus ran her over in North AOC, will be disposed of if no one claims her within 30th of this month. Let's take a short break once again.
From Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System. Registered Office, Khoyathong Nagamapal Road, Imphal 795001. Branch Office, Lalambung Makong, Rims Road near Syndicate Bank, Imphal 795001. Complete Rainstar Surgical Instruments, Hospital Equipments, OT Lights and Tables, Auto Claps, Rehabilitation Ads, Hospital Consumables, Healthcare Products, Diagnostic Reagents, Hearing Aids, Blood Glucometer, Digital BP Monitor, Air Mattress, amadi Nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 0385 2056092 amadi 917085776993. Ekoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsen birau Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Matalgi Sasenaba Products Singdagi Cheksinbiu. Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Majal gi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amata leizade. KSI na puthokpa Majal gi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makong Takhela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangwaiban Sinam Lekai haina thari basin nataba atopa amata Majal gi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhan basingdagi checksin biu. Hena kupamarol khangnaba lengsin birau Majal Kanglaipak Spices Industry Lalamung Makong Takhela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangwaiban Sinam Lekai near Lamphel Lampak natraga logon tobiu www.majalspices.com or Facebook/majalspices natraga email tobirau info@majalspices.com.
Yapote lobu sakharba natro
chakri ma
aduiti cha injang du loisanaba tawrodana
bishon du butot polorabati injang gi thawraga loirabane adui ma dukan dagi bishon du go machan duga leibiruragera
hoi hoi ima lobirurage bunga besolamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglaipak Spices Industry gi production lobiron iramdong gi posu oire potjan ju yautre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da puthoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, methi jira powder, amadi hairi bo. Loinana sa masal amadi machalla powwa. Mayang manadaba packaging system so oraba. Manipur da yan anboina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product tam seasonabio.
Sina khwai dagi hena pharena bonina pire inni
ima KSI gi product city yam phabane.
Welcome back. A Delhi court granted bail to RJD chief Lalu Prasad, his wife Rabri Devi and son Tejasvi Yadav in the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC scam-related money laundering case today. Special Judge Arun Bhardwaj granted relief to the accused persons on a personal bond of Rs 1 lakh and one surety of like amount each. The court had on January 19 extended the interim bail granted to the three, which ended on Monday. The case relates to alleged money laundering and granting the operational contract of two IRCTC hostels to a private firm. A Chinese court jailed prominent rights lawyer Wang Quanzhang for 4.5 years for subversion of state power today. Human Rights Watch said the sentencing met a mockery of the Chinese leadership's claim to champion the rule of law. Mr. Wang, who had taken on cases deemed sensitive by Chinese authorities, such as accusation of police torture or defending members of the banned Falun Gong spiritual movement, went missing in August 2015 amid a sweeping crackdown on rights activists and lawyers. In a short statement on its website, the Tianjin No. 2 Intermediate People's Court in the northern port city of Tianjin released a verdict, saying that Mr. Wang had been found guilty. It is not possible to contact Wang for comment. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, CIRCA for restoration of pre-merger status. CM reiterates study cap call. Congress decides to stay away from all parties meet. Involved pre-press. Is the state BJP for the bill or against it? Ibobi. Pre-Pak triggers IED blast on our day. The People's Chronicle. CM urges government detractors to get people's mandate. CPI MP Raja vows to fight against CAB. Sit-in denounces CAB MPP petitions governor. Shutdown call by the UGS blast mar our day. Prime Minister's effigy burnt as CAB protests continue. The Morning Bell. State celebrates 70th Republic Day of India. Government stands for the protection and integrity of Manipur. Chief Minister. CIRCA to boycott LS election if citizenship bill pass in Rajya Sabha. IGAR South celebrated 70th Republic Day. World Pulse releases film on women empowerment featuring activist Urmila Chanam. Manipur Mel. Government stands for the protection and integrity of Manipur. Chief Minister.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. All political party meet not fruitful, says spokesperson of left parties and convener of Preza Irendro Leichombam. Protest demonstrations continue against CA Bill. Students' bike rally against CA Bill kicked off. And Speaker Y. Kemchan flags off Manipur women team for Manipur-Myanmar football exhibition match. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.